If you're involved in manufacturing or packaging, you know that implementing and maintaining a robotic automation solution is no small task. The complexity starts with all the different vendors it takes. Vision technologies such as cameras and encoders come from one vendor. The controller and the software used to program it come from another. You need one for motion devices, such as servo systems, and a different vendor for the robot itself. The safety equipment to prevent injuries comes from yet another. Finally, you need a trusted system integration partner to pull all the pieces together into a single cohesive solution. Sometimes with a bit of coaxing to get all the different pieces to actually work together. That's fine, until something goes wrong, or you need to do a product changeover. And then once again it gets very complicated, time-consuming, and expensive. But it doesn't have to be that way. That's because Omron now offers the industry's first complete and fully integrated robotic automation solution. With Omron's single-source solution, all the components are designed to work together, so implementation and changeovers are faster and easier. There's less hassle with no finger pointing and just one number to call for support. Tighter integration also means better synchronization and better performance. Our intuitive design and simulation software gives you greater flexibility to take advantage of the integrated system. And by leveraging performance data from a single source, you can increase productivity and efficiency. Contact us and we'll show you how Omron's complete end-to-end solution can change how you look at robotic automation.